Okay, so here is a 2005 Dimension 1 Triad 2. They call it a Triad 2 back in the day because there's two filters. Um, the tub hasn't been used for a little over 30 days. It's been very hot, very busy, so haven't used it. But I'd like to use it again soon. The water has been in here for approximately 4.5 months, and it's got 24-hour filtration, 24-hour ozone, and it has the Dimension 1 vision cartridge that's good for 6 months. So, like I said, it hasn't been used in over 30 days. And so let's just take a look at the water quality. So here it is. Sorry for the shadows, but you can easily see that the water is crystal clear. And so let's do a quick little water analysis test here with a Taylor liquid test kit. And I want to show you a few things. So bear with me while I get the proper water levels for testing. We're going to test the pH and the chlorine level here on this first test. All right, so 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna do the 01, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna do the reagent number 2, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the cap on here and here. Give it a little shake. Now, 0 chlorine, and the water is crystal clear. pH, very high, and it's going to be above 8.0. And so normally you want to be at 7.2 to like 7.8. I'll go to 7.8 sometimes. Let's just test the alkalinity. See what we get out of that. That too should be high. So 2 drops of the thiosulfate. 1, 2. That's just really to get out any chlorine, which we already know there is none of. And we're gonna do 5 drops of number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And shake it up. Now, I've already run this test once, so I know approximately how many drops I need to put in, but you want to try to be somewhere around 80 to 120. I'm going to go to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And still green. 16, 17, 18. 19, 20. 21, 22, 23. 24, 25. You can see color starting to change now. And there we go. So about 25 drops, which means you've got 250 parts per million of alkalinity, and our pH is over 8.0. Now here's the best part of all this testing that we're doing. There has been zero chlorine for over 4.5 months, and this water is crystal clear. How can I achieve that for 4.5 months of no chlorine? Now, this great water management system will do a nice job of 24-hour ozone in the system, and then you help that out with the silver and copper mineral cartridge. But that's not really enough by itself to be able to keep it crystal clear like this. You typically would still have to put in a little bit of chlorine or some ozone. So what we're using are some special salts, and those salts can be purchased from us at Sonoma Hot Tubs and Pool Supplies. I've been using these salts for 1.5 years now. Every 3 months I'll drain the water, refill it again. It's a small hot tub, and I get the same results every single time for 1.5 years. No chlorine, no oxidizer. I do not adjust my pH, I do not adjust the alkalinity, and I do not adjust the calcium. I do absolutely nothing except for use my hot tub. And when I do use my hot tub, I usually go in from 20 to 30 minutes every morning between 5 and 6 a.m. and that's how I start my day. So that's what I'm going to get back to doing again. So hope you learned something. Hope you get to try these salts. I think they're amazing. After almost 20 years of hot tubbing, this is by far the best product I have found for those of you who would prefer to use less chemicals and have less maintenance. Thanks for tuning in.